Welcome to Six Shift Studios. Today I will be reviewing some very special Hot Wheels vehicles, and I'm sure you have noticed by now that these are on a short card, and a short carded Hot Wheel means that it's an international Hot Wheel. The cars that I am about to show you I purchased in Madrid, Spain at one of their department stores. I decided to check in and see if they had any Hot Wheels at a local department store, and they had some, so that was very exciting. I paid €2.50 for these. You know, I did not pay 99 cents for these. As an American, these are the only short-carded Hot Wheels I've ever seen in person. And these are, I believe I bought them in 2013, even though they're 2012 vehicles. And interestingly, the card has a guy with a motorcycle helmet on the back of it, which is very weird because all the cars that I'm going to show you have that. So that's very weird because, you know, it's a car, not a motorcycle. The first car is a 2012 Hot Wheels Premier. On the international card, they're calling the new models Hot Wheels Premier models. And this is a 2012 Mustang Boss 302 Laguna Seca, and features the amazing grabber blue color that I'm so fond of. Watch my Boss 302 driving videos. And it has a tampo on the side that is the Boss 302 stripe. It looks very cool. And it also features a black roof, which was correct for the vehicle. It has a silver door handle, which is very odd now that I'm looking at it. And it has that awesome splitter that the Laguna Seca has. And the rear has no tampos. There's also a black painted spoiler, which is very cool. I will note, Hot Wheels, that the Laguna Seca version of this vehicle was never produced in grabber blue. Split 5-spoke rims, which look very nice because they are the same rims as the Laguna Seca. Very awesome. Looks great in grabber blue. 1971 Hemi Cuda in my favorite, lime green. So it looks awesome. And this vehicle features a black tampo on the side that says Hemi, and it also has the turn signals tampoed as well. It looks like it would have been very hard to tampo the black and red of the turn signal right on top of each other, so that looks very difficult. Also features a black interior, and because there's a black interior, they can use the black as the hood scoop, so that's very correct for the shaker hood. Looks great. Also has silver tampos right there, and for the door handles as well. And the back has no tampos. This is very similar to a 1997 first edition. I believe it was either a Cuda, it was a convertible. So it's very odd that Hot Wheels is making a first edition of the same car, just convertible and then non-convertible. Very nice car. Last but not least, from the cars that I found in Madrid, Spain, is a treasure hunt. And I couldn't believe it when I was going through the cards and found this treasure hunt in this store, in this huge department store in Spain. The cars must have been there for quite some time, I think. And it was a very small display with maybe only 20 cars. I was blown away that there was still one on the pegs, which is very cool. And this is none other than the 1965 Chevy Malibu. And this is painted a very striking metallic green and features a black tampo and maybe a gunmetal tampo on the side. It's really hard to tell. I'm not sure. Honestly, one looks more faded than the other. And it also has black tampos on the hood and trunk, and has TH for treasure hunt on the trunk as well. This was back in the good old days when Hot Wheels would print on the card treasure hunt so you knew what you were looking at. And all the treasure hunts were green. Card was green. Unlike the ones now where it's just a little stamp on the car, so they're incredibly hard to find. Anyways, very nice casting. And these were awesome cars to find while I was in Spain. Thank you for watching this review of my Hot Wheels from Spain. Please like and subscribe to Stick Shift Studios, and please watch more of my Hot Wheels content. I look forward to seeing you next video. Have a great day.